Welcome back to Horizon Site Pro. Today we're going to talk about proposals. In a previous video we went through the sales and leads process. And after you've created a lead and say you want to send over a proposal to them, you can do that with Horizon. So what you do is you go to the sales tab at the top, click on proposals, and this is the page that will come up. You can sort by any proposals you've already created: open, approved, rejected, and canceled. But for now we're going to go into creating a proposal. Now, the proposal number can be your own, or you can leave it blank to auto-generate. You can have a name here. We're just going to type our client name, John Doe. It's assigned to him. It's got the email, status. You can save this proposal as an estimate, but for now we're just going to leave it as is. You can also load in information from estimates you created in order to build out your proposal. But we're just going to do this manually. So this works like other items, change orders, estimates. It builds out by line items. So you add your line item with this little tab here. You can have as many as you want for as detailed as your proposal needs to be. You can load in cost codes. For video and cost codes, check out the website at horizonsitepro.tv. There's more information on that. You can also just do this manually. Enter your numbers. Taxes is applied. You have a spot for a description as well as a spot for an internal notes. You have your totals down here. And then you have a spot here for internal notes, and this is for the overall proposal versus these notes sections are for the line item itself that you're building. So we'll put a name to this line item as well, as you need that. Once we have our information, create our proposal, we can hit create proposal. And here it gets added. It's open. This is a previous one we did by test that we rejected. Now on our open one, we can view this proposal. And in here you can send the proposal, and this will go right over to the client for right to the lead for approval or not. You can reject this proposal yourself, and you sign right here, and you can click confirm and you reject it. You can approve it manually. Again, there'll be a signature here, and it's the same on the client side, on the lead side I should say. When they approve the proposal, they will have to sign for it. So you can capture their signature and make it official. We go back to the proposals. You can edit the proposal, and you can also send the proposal right from here. And to show you what that looks like, it just pops this little screen. You enter their name, send proposal, and it gets sent right off to them. And it's easy as that to create a proposal, capture the signature, you have a contract, and you can get right into building, create a project from there. So again, that's proposals for Horizon Site Pro. Thanks again.